Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to Lando's Kitchen, and this morning, I'll be making some breakfast. I'll be making salt mackerel with boiled dumpling, Irish potato, some banana. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do, I already washed the salt mackerel, so I'm gonna put it on the fire to boil to get rid of the excess salt. So here we go. Okay, so while that is boiling, I am going to start by kneading the flour, and then I'll peel the Irish potato and the banana. Okay, so here we go. Mind you guys, I don't really have any knife skills, so yeah. So you wash your hands before you knead the flour. Okay guys, so in here we have flour. I had some cornmeal and a little bit of salt. Okay. So yeah, I am just kneading flour. There you go. I'm gonna add some more water. Okay guys, so here is the finished product of the flour. So I'm just gonna put paper towel over it for it to set. Irish potatoes. Okay, so we're just cutting the potatoes. We're gonna set them in here. All right. So now I'm gonna peel the bananas. Oil on my hands so that it doesn't stain. Okay guys, so I'm gonna add a little bit of oil to the pot of water so that the banana don't stain on the flour. So now I'm gonna add the bananas, and the Irish potato. Okay, let's just cover that for a minute. So guys, I am gonna throw this water off, and I'm gonna add some fresh water to boil it again, because we don't want it to be salty. Salt is not good. So guys, the water is boiling, so now I'm gonna make the dumpling.
Come.
So guys, I take the, what do you call this, the tails off, and also these thingy thing. Down, keep the bone. I'm not gonna throw the bone, guys. I'm gonna eat the bones, so I'm just gonna set them aside. If you know, you know. Okay guys, so the food is finished cooking, and now we're gonna move on to frying up the salt mackerel and stuff. So here are the seasonings. We're just gonna put it inside the pot. I love a lot of seasoning in my salt mackerel, especially a lot of tomatoes. So I'm just gonna let that okay guys, so now I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper, just black pepper, because you guys already know that the salt mackerel is a bit salty already. So just some black pepper. Guys, it smells so good. It smells so good. The seasonings are so okay guys, so I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic powder. I already add some the garlic stick to it. So I'm just gonna top it off with some garlic powder, just a little bit. That's good. Now I'm gonna add my salt mackerel. Smells so good, guys. Smells so good. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna cover this for like a few minutes, okay? And then I'll show you the finished product after. Alright. Ready? So guys, we have made it to the end of the video, and this is the finished product. So we served it with some orange juice. And please remember guys to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And if you guys want to see more videos from moi, Roxanne, you can just put it in the comment section down below. Thank you guys. Bye.